So of all the films in the Infinity Saga, just all the films in general, what was it about Age of Ultron that really speaks and resonates to you in terms of your origin story?
I can understand both Tony's and kind of Ultron's feeling of fear.
Yeah.
A fear for a lot of different things. Tony, like I'll get into it later, but with Tony's fear of like losing his family, Tony's fear of just failing, Tony's fear of being the one I feel like he's not good enough at the end. Because his vision was the fact that not just that that the Avengers died, but that he didn't do enough to save the Avengers.
Right.
And he was the last one to be alive throughout the rest of it, which in Infinity War, that kind of happened too. Mm-hmm. He was one of the survivors and he felt like he didn't do enough then when he was trying to.
Yeah.
But there was an aspect in my life where through some trauma and events, there was a fear of control.
Yeah.
And Tony and Ultron love to control or have that issue of control over things. So, I mean, I guess that does fit in the God complex.
Yeah.